Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to live smarter, save more, and make your hard-earned money go further? Well, get ready to learn the frugal living secrets your grandma knew that are still relevant today. These tips are timeless, and they might just change the way you look at your finances. Stay tuned for 45 incredible ways to save, stretch your dollars, and live better on less. Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to take a journey back in time, back to when life was simpler and money went a lot further. Ever wonder how your grandma managed to raise a family, save money, and still enjoy life? Well, she had a few tricks up her sleeve that were both practical and effective, and guess what? They still work today. Whether you're struggling to make ends meet or just want to improve your financial habits, these 45 frugal living tips will give you the tools you need to live smarter and save big. So, grab a pen, take notes, and let's dive in. First up, Grandma always went shopping with a list and stuck to it. This simple habit keeps you from impulse buying, which can quickly eat up your budget. Make a list of what you really need before heading to the store, and you'll notice the savings add up. Ever notice how buying in bulk saves you money? From flour to pasta, Grandma knew that buying larger quantities meant a lower cost per unit. Whether it's at the warehouse store or even your local grocery store, buying in bulk is one of the easiest ways to save. Grandma didn't throw things away easily. She repurposed everything. Old jars became storage containers, and leftover fabric turned into quilts. In today's world, this concept of sustainability is making a big comeback. So, before you toss something out, think about how you can reuse or repurpose it. Skip the boxed meals and canned foods. Grandma always cooks from scratch. Not only does it save you money, but it's also healthier, and you can control what goes into your food. Plus, homemade meals can taste way better. If you've got a backyard, even a small one, consider growing some of your own food. Whether it's herbs, tomatoes, or even potatoes, gardening can save you a lot at the grocery store. Plus, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of eating something you've grown yourself. Grandma was a leftover master. She'd take that half-eaten roast from last night and turn it into a new dish the next day. Leftovers can be a lifesaver for both your wallet and your time. Don't let food go to waste. Grandma was a coupon queen. In today's digital age, coupons have gone online, and discounts are just a click away. Whether you're using apps, websites, or good old-fashioned paper coupons, there are tons of ways to save on everyday items. Instead of calling a repairman for every little problem, Grandma always tried to fix things herself. YouTube tutorials, DIY blogs, and online forums make it easier than ever to learn simple repairs. Not only will this save you, why pay full price when you can buy gently used items? Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces are great places to find clothes, furniture, and even electronics for a fraction of the cost. Grandma was the queen of finding treasures at yard sales. These are just a few examples, but as we go through the rest of these tips, you'll see that frugal living isn't just about saving money, it's about being resourceful, mindful, and creating a lifestyle that helps you thrive without overspending. So, if you're ready to make the most of what you have and learn more about living frugally like Grandma did, stick around for the rest of these amazing tips. Let's see how many more we can discover together. Stop buying expensive cleaning supplies. Vinegar, baking soda, and a little elbow grease can clean just about anything. Grandma had a few simple recipes for homemade cleaners that worked wonders. Grandma didn't hoard things she didn't need. Instead, she'd sell them or give them away. Declutter your space, and you'll not only free up room, but possibly make some extra cash too. Watch for sales and plan your meals around what's on discount. If meat or vegetables are marked down, grab them and build meals around them. This reduces waste and helps you get more for your money. As you can see, many of these tips are about being mindful and intentional with what you already have. Grandma's approach wasn't about being cheap, it was about being smart with her resources. These ideas are still powerful today, helping people live more sustainably and save money without sacrificing quality of life. So, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more frugal living advice. Share this video with your friends or family. And let's all live smarter, just like Grandma did. Instead of constantly buying new things, Grandma would make use of what she already had. From repurposing jars as storage to reusing old towels as cleaning rags, she always found ways to reduce waste. Handmade gifts, like knitted scarves, homemade cookies, or personalized photo albums, were Grandma's way of giving thoughtful presents without spending too much. It's the sentiment that counts, not the price tag. No more last-minute grocery store runs. Grandma was a meal planner, ensuring that every ingredient was used up. This helps save on groceries and reduces food waste. Instead of driving everywhere, Grandma walked or rode her bike whenever she could. Not only does this save on gas and car maintenance, but it's also a great way to get some exercise. From fixing the leaky faucet to patching up a hole in the wall, Grandma would handle small household repairs herself. You don't need to hire someone for everything. Learning a few basic DIY skills can save you a lot. Instead of buying coffee every morning, Grandma would make her own and take it in a thermos. A great way to save money and still enjoy your morning brew instead of going out to